Check this out. We're going to quickly format this unformatted section down below by deploying a single keyboard shortcut, Control-Alt-1. How do we do this? Well, it's because we have a custom styles cycle set up in Macabacus. In the format dropdown, we can see we have custom cycle number 1 here, which has 3 different types of formatting. One for the text header you see that says financial forecast, then one for the actual dates with an A after the date indicating that it's a historical financial result, and then also the forecast dates which have an F after them. So that would be 2022 to 2027. And then we can see here that the cycle can be deployed with the shortcut Control-Alt-1. So we did all the setup on this, and these cycles and styles actually are housed within Macabacus, which makes them an excellent alternative to the native Excel styles, which can be found here in the home section of the ribbon. And the issue with these is that they're actually workbook specific, so they won't carry across the different workbooks. And if you receive a workbook from, say, a colleague or someone externally, they might not comply with your brand, the styles that you find in here. Macabacus allows you to just go ahead, set them up. They live in Macabacus, so they can be applied and found in any workbook, just from the format dropdown here or when deploying your keyboard shortcuts. We could set up to 8 custom cycles in Macabacus, and each of these cycles can have several styles within them. And custom cycle number 1 has the keyboard shortcut Control-Alt-1, but if we had a second one here, custom cycle number 2, that keyboard shortcut would be Control-Alt-2. So they're super easy to memorize and deploy, and you saw how quickly we were able to apply some pretty refined formatting to these cells. If we investigate these cells by pressing Control-1, we can see that the border, of course, has been all set up, and then, as expected, this is just a general formatting cell. But for 2021A, if we press Control-1, we can see that this is custom formatting, displaying the number and then an A afterwards, and then really the same thing on the forecast years, the only difference being that it displays an F and then a top border as well. So Macabacus will allow us to save these unique formatting characteristics directly into Macabacus as part of a custom cycle. These cycles can also be pushed out across your organization to get everyone on the same page as far as their formatting. They really save a ton of time when you're applying consistent formatting across large workbooks. So join us in the next 2 videos where we'll walk you through how they work and how to set them up. Enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content? Then hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you over in the next video.